Welcome to Hyundai Helpers. Today we're going over a few ways to keep your vehicle organized, because no one likes a messy vehicle. If you want to prevent grocery bags from spilling over, attach a carabiner to the hooks in your trunk or on an empty headrest in your back seat to keep them secure. Attaching a bungee cord from headrest to headrest can help you add on more bags. Adorable watchdogs not required, but definitely encouraged. If you have a bunch of items in the back of your vehicle, keep everything from rolling around by placing your things into a laundry basket. Another easy way to keep your cargo space organized is to buy a few of these collapsible baskets. They're great for storing things like toys, sporting goods, good boys, the usual. These are also great because they take up little to no space and fit underneath your seats. Use a document binder to keep important items like your insurance and registration in one place. It's also a great spot to keep a notepad and pen. Sorry, Dragon, there's no catnip in here. There you go, 4 easy ways to keep your vehicle organized. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips from our helpers.